Hello everyone, I am Sherilyn Balada. Together with me is Armijoy Abdon, and today we are excited to present our research on arithmetic intelligence, a cloud-enhanced gamified mobile application to boost arithmetic skills for Filipino learners from early grade to remedial support. Recent results from the PISA 2022 survey point to the pressing need to mitigate the progressively deteriorating foundational math literacy skills among Filipino learners. This paper describes the conception, development, and scientific validation of arithmetic intelligence, a novel cloud-based mobile application aimed at gamifying arithmetic skills acquisition. Built in Android Studio and Kotlin, the application puts up an offline-focused architecture and SQLite databases for unfettered learning even in areas with unreliable internet access. This software intensively focuses on ISO IEC 25010 norms on functional suitability, software reliability, and interaction capability. A total of 46 respondents, including 2 teachers, 22 parents, and 22 grade 1 students, were utilized in the validation exercise, conducted under the radically contrasting settings found in Moreno Integrated School, who has free access to technology, and the Kubangbang Elementary School, who has limitations in terms of technical aspects. This validation exercise pointed toward exceptionally satisfactory levels on all 12 sub-characteristic, recording weighted mean scores variant from 4.74 to 5 on a strongly agreed column. This explicitly proves the functional appropriateness, reliability, and user-friendliness of the arithmetic intelligence application, underscored by the profound scaling up potential with the practical role of a remedial instrument within the Philippine education sector. Our research was driven by three core questions. First, how do we design for arithmetic mastery? Second, how do we architect learning continuity in low bandwidth settings? And finally, how does the app perform as a dependable tool in inconsistent environments? The research is based on an input process output conceptual framework depicted in Figure 1 that demonstrates how arithmetic intelligence mobile application has been developed and evaluated in a systematic way through descriptive evaluative research design. For our data gathering procedures, to answer these, we develop a research design questionnaire based on the ISO IEC 25010 framework. We use a 5-point Likert scale to gather precise feedback on everything from software quality to user experience. The validation process was hands-on. Every participant, the students, teachers, and parents alike, personally tested the application to ensure their feedback was based on real, live experience with the software. For the data analysis, we utilized descriptive statistics by focusing on the weighted mean. We were able to quantify the level of consensus regarding the application's quality and educational effectiveness. Here, you can see our system design architecture. It was features an offline first mobile layer that handles local data processing, which then automatically synchronizes with the cloud once a connection is established. This ensures that no student is left behind by a failing Wi-Fi signal. Here is the sample interface of the Arithmetic Intelligence mobile application.
Welcome to Arithmetic Intelligence, a gamified mobile learning application designed to help Filipino learners improve their arithmetic skills through interactive quizzes and virtual pet care system. As you can see, there's a user registration and login page on our mobile app. This section explains how users can create an account and access the application. For the new users, the registration screen allows new users to create an account in the applications. Users are required to enter the following information like full name, age, username, and password. So after this, the student can register now and log in
Welcome to
to
Arithmetic
the
Intelligence.
login screen.
Log in to get started.
First-time
First,
login
choose your pet.
experience for newly registered users have a video
Confirm your
tutorial
chosen
and
pet.
pet selection screen. So as you can see on the
After
screen,
that, you'll be taken to the main
there's a video
dashboard.
tutorial where the student can
Here, you can see your pet
watch
and its current
and
mood, and you have to tap the
how
video
to
lessons on the top left to start
access or
learning.
play the mobile app.
Pick a video lesson you want to watch. After watching a video, a pop-up will ask if you're ready for a quiz. You have to finish the quiz to earn coins and experience points. Then you can use your coins in the shop to buy food for your pet. You can also check the rankings to see your progress. Feed your pet and keep it happy and healthy.
After watching the video tutorial, the user proceeds to the pet selection screen where they can choose prepared virtual pet. So after logging in, the user is directed to the main screen where the virtual pet and status indicators are displayed. So as you can see also, there are different topics. In each topic, there are quizzes to be answered by the learners. So first is the addition topic, where
I'm going to be
learners will
honest
watch
with you,
a video
I am
lesson, and
extremely
they should
excited,
finish
all right?
it so
Because we are
they can
going
take the
on an
quizzes about the
addition
addition
adventure, okay? Just look at this plus sign. It looks so happy. I love the gloves, the shoes. It's a fancy plus sign. Oh, you get 8. Fantastic. Let's try 2 plus 4. What is 2 plus 4? 2 plus 4.
So again, learners are required to watch the video lesson first before they can proceed to the quiz. This ensures that learners are properly introduced to the arithmetic concept before answering any questions. So the first topic is the addition. Another thing is after the learner or student finish the quiz, they will see the result of their quiz about the addition subject. So you can earn coins and buy different fruits for your pet. Topic, each learner can access the rankings where their classmates or other students will see their performance on the ranking. So before we open the next topic on multiplication, we should finish all the other
Hello
topic
there
for
from
the,
me and Mr.
subtraction
Whiskers as
lesson.
well. I hope you're ready because we're
So after watching the video lesson, the quiz for the topic became
so many
available.
baked goodies here. And
So learners must answer the quiz question to test their understanding of the lessons.
yes,
Correct
7,
answers reward the
10
learners
minus
with coins
3
and experience
equals
points.
7. Nice
So
one. And hey, thanks for being in this video, penguins.
said earlier, coins are used to purchase food for the virtual pet. Experience points contribute to progress tracking and leaderboard ranking. the learner does not watch the video lesson for the current topic, they cannot proceed to the quiz or access the next topic. This progression system ensures structured learning and prevents user from skipping essential lessons. So, we are on the last topic, the multiplication.
I hope product. 0 times 6 equals 0. 0 is the answer, so 0 is the product. The answer to a multiplication problem is called the product. Let's go ahead and look at a few more. What is 3 times 4? What is 3 times
After
4?
all the topics has been
12.
answered
3
or
times
watched by
4.
the student, the post-test is unlocked. All questions from each topic are included in the post-test. So let us finish the multiplication question. Then we will take the post-test. So this is the process of our mobile app. From answering those questions in every topic, then there will be a post-test. So this serves as a comprehensive assessment of the user's learning progress. The questions on the addition, subtraction, and multiplication will be placed also in the post-test. So all in all, we already have 30 questions to sum up the 3 topics, the addition, multiplication, and subtraction. As you can see also, there is a clock for the or a timer in each question. So 30 seconds for each question. The student can answer the quiz. And now, we will go now the setting features, where allow users to manage their account, information, and session within the application. Change username, change password, and also the logout. So to maintain account security, we already add a user login for the student. For each of the student can access with their own account. So that would be all. Thank you.
So as they say, true digital innovation is measured not by the speed of the connection, but by the continuity of learnings when the connection fails. So that would be all. Thank you very much.